Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about themes and layouts in Quixel. So first of all, often we have seen that world-class websites are built in a typical fashion wherein once we are on the landing page, there is a section of banners which is in a casserole format, followed by some of the best-selling items held in catalogs, following a section which contains the products directly, especially the best-selling products. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to create such a website, and in this kind of a website, how to bring in functionality so that if a user is clicking on this particular banner, they are redirected to that particular catalog from where they can make the purchase directly. In order to do that, we are going to go to the Quixel web version. Once you log into web.quixel.co, you would have the option to do your account settings. In account settings, in content and layout option, you would be able to find a custom front page option. Once we click on the custom front page option, we can see that we already have a preset segment wherein we have defined the banners, the catalog section, the product sections. Now, if you are fresh, you can go ahead and click on the add section option, and in that you can go ahead and add a banner. Right? We are going to add our very first banner. Now, Quixel offers you two very different experience for someone who is logging onto a website from a PC computer, which typically has a landscape dimension compared to a mobile screen, which has a portrait dimension. We have given you certain recommended sizes. For desktop version, we click on upload desktop banner. I'll quickly browse on to my picture segment and pick up a picture, right? As we could see some of the pictures that we had already used. You can also add a 400 pixel by 500 pixel that is optimized for mobile screen viewing, right? We would recommend that you upload a similar picture in both the resolutions that would get auto optimized as per the browser screen. Once you click on done, here you get an option to add a link. Now, as we saw that by clicking on the picture, it was redirecting to either a product or a catalog. And even if you want, you can redirect this particular picture to an external website, right? I'll just quickly show you how to link products to this particular picture. You can simply browse between all the pre-created catalogs that you have, and from any of the catalog, you can select a product and click on select product, right? Now this creates your first banner. As you saw that in this particular catalog, there were two particular pictures that was moving in a casserole format, right? So in this particular segment, we would have to add two pictures to create this effect. To create this effect, we are going to add a second picture. Again, we repeat the same process, one for mobile and one for the PC as per recommendation. We click on done. Now you can change the action of click on this particular picture from product to even catalog, and you can select one particular catalog that you would want to link to this picture. So whenever a user clicks on the first picture, they would be redirected to the product, while if they click on the second picture, they would be redirected to the catalog, right? Once we do this, you would want to name the section. As we saw over here, all the sections have been named as bestsellers, best selling items, although the banners do not show a name on top. For our reference, we can say this is a header or middle to segment, right? And we click on save and done. This particular segment has been added. Now, if you want to move this segment up or down, you can go ahead and click on the move up, move down. You can change the title, right? And click on the add section option over here. Once we click on the catalog section, in this particular section, we can add multiple catalogs, right? As we can see over here in the bestseller catalogs, we have added saris, kurtis, and footwear catalog. I would show you how to do this. We can simply select the pre-created catalogs one by one that we would want to define and show over here. I've selected 6 catalogs. I have named it best selling products 2022, and I have saved this section. Again, you can move this section up and down by clicking on the 3 dots. You can change the title, maybe delete the section if you want to create a different section. In the third part of this video, we are going to see how to create a product section. Product section is nothing but where we have directly listed the product. Now, the difference between a catalog section and a product section is a catalog section is like a folder that houses those 22 items or 22 products, whereas in the product section, the products are directly shown over here so that a customer can click on add to list or add to cart and automatically the product will be added to the cart. So we will quickly go to the product section. We can switch between multiple catalog and select items from multiple catalog. Let me select some 3 items from this particular catalog, while I will go to maybe kidswear and add some more products. Once I have selected this products, I can name this as best selling items and I will save the section. Right. So here Quixel gives you an option to view as a customer how this particular creation that we have just done will look to the customer. As you can see, the newest inclusions have been added as kidswear and best-selling products, right? And that you can do by publishing or unpublishing the catalog. Without publishing option, you would not be able to have a custom front page. So once you publish, then only you will be able to see how the catalog looks to the customer. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can change this particular URL to your custom domain, such as www.abc.com, and this particular custom homepage will be listed on a custom domain. We have a separate video for the same.